Myself, Dr. Uday Kumar Sarkar. I am preparing myself for part examination by myself and with my partner. I found several fighting with me and many other sports. And suddenly I got this simulation course, and this course is very much helpful for me. They are hands-on courses, very much helpful. They are their conception, they give my conception here, and we understand it here. We can work on a lot, and accommodation was very much well. I thank to Dr. Deepak and Dr. Hasna for their nice initiative. And finally, I thank them again. My last thing is the excellence.